Hi crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefania and today is lesson 2 of my Crochet 101 series. In this series, I'll be breaking down the basics of crochet so you can go from an absolute beginner to a confident crocheter. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to do a slip knot and how to make a chain. Without further ado, let's get right to it. I'll start off by showing you how to do a slip knot. I like to do so by placing the yarn on my finger like so, turning my finger around, then reaching through the loop to pull up the working end. You'll know you've made a successful slip knot when you can pull the working end and the knot will tighten down. And if you pull the knot completely, it'll come undone. I'll show you that again. You'll loop the yarn around your finger, then turn your finger. You'll reach through the loop, grab the working end, and pull it through and tighten that knot. You can then place this loop on your hook and tighten it down. Now to show you how to chain. Taking the working end, you'll cross it over the front of your hook and pull that through the loop. Continue this process once for every chain you want to make. If you lose track of how many chains you've made, I'll show you here how to count. Flattening the piece, you can count how many V's are in your chain, and that's how many stitches you have. Here, I've got 10. Once your chain is as long as you want, you're done and ready for the next step. Thanks so much for watching till the end of the video. If you liked this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and are subscribed to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I release a new video every week, including check-in videos, crochet tutorials, and other craft content. I have other lessons planned for this series, but if you have any questions about crochet, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!